This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and anything in mind. Let's say you want to buy a PS5, anything at all that you want to add to your wish list. This application is for you, so you can keep track of your things that you want to buy in the future or things that you're interested in buying. So here you can just tap on the create wish list, and here you can also see you can for yourself, on behalf of someone you want to buy a gift for your friends, your family, whatever the case is, all depends upon you or you two working together to buy something. So you can either add, for me, I'm just going to tap on me option here, and as you can see here, you can pretty much write up a description, or let's say you want to go somewhere, not just items, places that you want to go, you can pretty much create it here. So very nice application. So you can keep track of your wish list. And as well, you can see other people wish lists in different areas in London. If you tap on an online option here, you can see what other people have added to their wish list. As you can see here, a lot of items which you also can add to your wish list by just tapping on the Cloud Plus icon here. Once you tap on the Cloud Plus icon here, you can just add it to your wish list by just tapping on create wish list there. So very nice application to keep track of your wish list or things that you want to do, places you want to go, or things that you want to buy. Very good application. And inspiration section here, the same thing, just some things that all people have added to their wish list and things that you might be interested in as well. So the friends option, other people that are using the application, as you can see here, people have sent you requests, suggestions, people in your contacts would pretty much find in this section. And at the top here, the profile icon, you can tap on this to pretty much set up your account as it relates to this application. Nothing much for that. So activity section, nothing much, just some suggestions as it relates to your brands, wish list, and so forth. Nothing much, guys. So just a very easy application for you to keep track of your wish list, things you want to do, and so forth. So if there's anything at all, any questions you may want to ask, just comment below. I'm glad to help you. See you in the next one.